Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to forward a chat message in Microsoft Teams. This is incredibly useful when you need to share important information from one conversation with someone else without having to copy and paste or retype everything manually. Let's start by navigating to the chat section. On the left side of your Teams window, you'll see a navigation panel with several icons. Click on the one labeled Chat. This will take you to all your active conversations and message threads within Teams. Once you're in the chat section, take a moment to browse through your conversations and find the specific chat that contains the message you want to forward. Click on that conversation to open it up. You'll now see the full message history displayed in the main window. Now comes the important part. Scroll through the conversation until you locate the exact message you want to forward. Once you've found it, hover your cursor directly over that message. You'll notice that a few options appear when you do this. Look for the three dots icon, which represents more actions or additional options. Click on those three dots and a small menu will pop up with several choices. From this menu, click on Forward. This action tells Teams that you want to send this specific message to someone else. It's a quick and efficient way to share information without disrupting the flow of your current conversation. After clicking Forward, a new window or dialog box will appear on your screen. Here you'll see a field labeled Recipients. This is where you'll specify who should receive the forwarded message. You can input a name if the person is already in your Teams contacts, an email address if you want to reach someone outside your immediate team, or even a phone number if that option is available in your Teams setup. Type in the recipient's information carefully to ensure the message reaches the right person. Once you've entered the details, look for the Forward button at the bottom of the dialog box and click it. The message will now be sent to your chosen recipient, complete with the original content and context. And there you have it. You've successfully forwarded a chat message in Microsoft Teams, making it easy to share important information across your team or organization. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.